Yo, what is going on, guys? It's DS Development's back, and we have a pretty dope video here today. I plan on getting our CBR up and running. We've got some goodies that have come in the mail, some coil packs, brand new battery. I got us a new throttle cable, a filter for the gas, and finally, let's get that oil changed too. So I got this one off, everything off Amazon actually, so it all came pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and get to work on the bike. I think we're gonna start with the coil packs. It's probably gonna be the hardest thing, and finish with the battery. So let's get it going.
So I'm actually starting here with getting the tank pulled off. A lot of what I had under there was already kind of unbolted since I had done the spark plugs previously. But I kind of forgot a lot of what went where. So I was figuring that all out, but eventually we were able to go ahead and get that off and be able to see those spark plugs.
All right, so first thing, we've gone ahead and got our coils out here. We're gonna go ahead and get our new guys. These guys right here swapped in. Let's see how they're looking. So we'll do the little snap trick. Ready? And just like that. So we are swapped over. I was a little concerned though, because the boot is actually a little bit shorter than the ones that were in there. So I'm hoping that the connection is still made from the inside. But we're gonna put it back together and find out. So let's see.
So like I said, I was a little bit nervous with putting it back together since the coils were a little bit short. Unfortunately, I didn't make a comparison, but as you can see, like right here, they do look a little bit shorter. But we were going to roll with it anyways and put it back together, try to get it going. Those are some of my neighbors talking to me. What are you doing? What's going on? And little do they know I'm about to raise hell. So.
All right, we've got the battery and the tank back on. Things are plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it over once or twice. I primed it. Here's the first click. Let's give her a go. Oh. Ooh, she sounds like she running, man. All right, now that we got the bike running, or not running, but I know it's turning on. So let's go ahead and get started with other things. I did realize on the throttle cable that I did know, but I wasn't paying attention. There's supposed to be 2 cables when you get them, and I only bought 1. So we'll probably need another. But we're gonna go ahead and get the oil changed over first. I think that's pretty crucial. And then maybe we'll try and get that filter on, put some gas in it. Maybe we can try and roll it around, we'll see. So let's get it going. All right, we've got our ratchet on. Let's see if we can. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have to put the phone down to get this one. All right, we've got our nut cracked. Let's see if we can get it by hand under here. Usually I like to not get oil on my hands, but this is a pretty bad spot, so see how good we can get off. Oh, fuck. Not that good. But we're flowing. Now we're on the other side. Let's try and get this oil filter off. Let me switch hands. Get this thing back on there pretty good. Gonna have to put the phone down again. This thing's fucking cranked on there. All right, got our oil filter loose. It was cranked on there, and then I realized I'm going the wrong direction, so that's all cool. Here we are though. Goes into the abyss with the other oil filters, but we're looking good. We got our 10W30 Honda oil. I'm not sure how much of this goes in. I imagine all 4, but I'm gonna look it up just to be sure. And then once I get that found out, we'll go ahead and get this slapped on. So let's get it going. Now I wasn't 100% certain how much goes in here. Online, it was saying anywhere from 3.3 to 3.8. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 3.5 quarts, and then we'll go from there. We'll see what's up. So. Now we went ahead and got about 3.6, 3.7 liters or quarts of oil in there. We're gonna go ahead and clean it up, start the bike one more time, make sure things sound good, and then I think we can start to button things up and get it moving here correctly towards the fairing part, which is gonna be the fun part. So let's get it started. We got it turned over here. I got an oil light on. Not sure what that is. Right here, but we just put new oil in it, so but I think it has some old gas in it too. It's hot, what? Shit! There you go. Alright, baby. Look at that. Hit the shirt. Let's give her a few little revs, little. Alright. So what it sounds like to me is we've got our bike here running and operating. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started with all the other cool parts, cleaning it up. I actually do have to order a few things. I think the thermostat, I know it needs the shifter lever thing to change gears, something with the brake assembly, and then we're gonna have to sort out something to hold up the exhaust, because right now it's being held up with a stretchy cord, so that's probably not going to do good on highways, but we'll go ahead and get the brace for it that it needs properly. We'll get the thermostat going, and then after we have everything to have it running properly, we're going to go ahead and start putting our dope ass fairings on, and then we're going to be on the street, baby. So very excited. It's been a while since I've been able to hear this bike turn. So I'm glad that we're finally getting it going, and once it's running and going, we can make some more content with it. So I think that's all we're gonna do for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, let me know if you think I'm doing something wrong or something I should add or do. I'm very curious, but thank you guys so much for watching. See you in part 3. Let's get it.